Okay folks, it's Mark Sugar here at Dodge City in Saskatoon on the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue here, and we have the 10th anniversary 2022 Ram 1500 Limited with the 5.7 Hemi engine with the e-torque. So you'll see the e-torque badging right there. This is red, pearl, and paint. And this is the new body style Ram. It's been out since 2019. Recovery tow hooks, parking sensors on here. Take a look at the grille. And this has the surround cameras as well, as you see right under the A right there. Let's have a quick look around and I'll show you the inside. The inside's very impressive. This one has the 20-inch rims. This one has power boards. Keyless proximity entry, so check out the power boards there. Give you a sneak peek of the interior here. Look at this quilted leather design right there. Real wood, real leather. Awesome. Okay. 2 glove boxes here. Okay. Take a look at the window sticker real quick here before I show you the rest of the truck. So 2022 Ram 1500 Limited 10th anniversary crew cab with the big doors at the back. The base price starts at $80,595. This is Canadian dollars with the Hemi engine. Like I said, 8-speed automatic transmission. Here's all your standard equipment. The color is red pearl, and limited level 1 equipment group here. A couple options on here: adaptive cruise control, parallel and perpendicular park assist with stop, upgraded 3.92 rear axle ratio, anti-spin, Hemi, bigger gas tank, 124.9 liter, so that's 27.4 gallons if you're in the States. Class 4 hitch receiver, trailer brake controller, Canadian dollars there, 94,815. Here's your warranty there. You can pause on the screen there, 5 years or 100,000 kilometers. Powertrain 0 deductible. Here's your gas mileage on this one here: 13 in the city, 10 on the highway. Combined 12 liters per 100 kilometers, 23 miles per gallon. Okay, so we got that out of the way. Okay, so I'll leave the sticker up here. Ooh, nice quilted up here, Harman Kardon, 900 watt stereo system, 19 speakers in here. Very nice. I like that. A little bit different here. Special badging right here. Nice sea salt color. This part's leather. Okay, anyways, your hitch is there. Or your hitch, that's if you get the flat tire there. So iPad will fit perfectly in there. Air cooled seats in the back, heated seats in the back, 115 volt 400 watt adapter plug in there. So, and you know, we have some cargo bins in here. This will come out. I'll leave it in there for now. These seats will recline. I can't do it with one hand, but they recline. Here's a console right here. More quilted leather. Such a nice interior back here. Tons of room, reclining seats. These fold up, this folds down. Flat floor here. Very nice. These will pop down when you're not driving. You might as well have extra visibility in the back there. Power running boards. This will fold up nice here. Painted fender flares. Got wheel locks on this one. Put some butt flaps on this one. Chrome dual exhaust tips. And this one does have the split multifunction tailgate. Has a step right there. I'll show you the key fob here. So you just press this twice. That'll pop down. And you got your air suspension right there. Remote start, unlock, lock. Ram Limited. Okay, so split tailgate here, adjustable cargo tie downs on the side here. Got your LED bed lighting right here with a light up there as well. Okay, so let's take a look how this works here. Okay, so if you want to open this aside, so if you want the whole thing to come down, you press up. But if you want it to come down, you press down. So then it can open like barn doors like that. And then this is right here, like that, right? And you have a step here. And then you could step in there with no hands. So step here, and you're in the box, no hands. Nice and easy. So nice wide step there. There's your hitch right there. Spare tire should be under here. Give this a nice hard kick, shake any mud loose there. Close this side, close that side. Okay, solid. All right, so we're gonna go inside. Let's take a look here. Showed you the back, blind spot monitoring on the front here. Okay, four-way lumbar support, Harman Kardon sound, memory seats. Okay, I think someone wants to get in here. Let's just start this up. Foot on the brake, push button start. This is a little different, jewel encrusted knob here. Automatic stop start, 4 auto, 4 high, 2-wheel drive, 4 low, neutral. So I'm gonna put in reverse. Surround cameras are gonna pop up. I can change my view, which way I want. I could zoom in on my hitch. And also you see right here, when I turn the wheels, that's gonna turn as well. Makes parking so easy. I have a digital camera right there. That's your normal rear view mirror. That's your digital camera. And you press this and you could go bright or dimmer. Press the other one. You can move the camera up, down, whichever way you want. So you can adjust that perfectly. Once you get used to it, you'll always use that. It has heads up display, but you're not gonna be able to see that on here. So I'm just gonna back this up, park this. Oops, I put it in neutral. Let's put it in reverse. I'm not supposed to drive while you got the camera, but all I'm doing is parking it back up here. Be careful, tight parking around here. And this is an expensive truck. And there's a pole right there, so just we'll get real close to it. Okay, let's put it in park. Okay, so I'll just show you. So there's you can do your setting in there for your heads up display, your speedometer, vehicle info, your tire pressure, driver assist, fuel economy, and you can go sideways on any of these pages as well. Your trip info, your stop start info, trailer tow, your audio, stored messages, and your settings. So you press OK to enter for heads up display. Won't show on the camera here. You have your normal cruise control here, your adaptive cruise control here. So this is like if you want to shadow someone, if you want to shadow them close, or if you want to shadow them from far away. Your gears, nice leather wrapped steering wheel here. And these 4 corners, they're customizable. So if you already have your temperature here, then I might as well change this to be range till empty. Maybe I want to change this to be average fuel economy or current fuel economy. So change that to whatever you want. There's your nice gauges. These are special for the limited trim. This is different on the 10th anniversary. And of course, there's your badging right there. Limited came out in 2012. It's now 2022. So that's the 10th anniversary of the limited edition. USB right there. Some science here, and of course this moves all the way, so you see how much room you have. 4 previous generations of Ram trucks right there, so that's tons of room right there. This is a wireless charger. This is an optional feature, Ram charger, not like the car. And you put 2 cell phones there, put the charging cable there if you want, some more space there. This will go down if you want, but I'll leave it up for now. Put this down. Everything's so nice to the touch. 12-inch screen, 2 6-inch screens, or you can have the navigation on your full 12-inch screen right here. If you're new to this, you won't get lost. Here's your temperature, here's your fan, and your volume knob, lane keep assist, self parking. We got some more space up here, maybe a radar detector, I'm not sure. And trailer brake controller here. Air suspension, traction control, tow haul mode off, your parking sensors on the rear and the front. I showed you this part already. So home button right there, media, so it controls your Sirius satellite radio, which you get for free. I like channel 13, so I always go to 13. I play a good mix of club music, Latin, hip-hop, house music. So you press and hold here, then you'll have controls behind the steering wheel. There's 3 buttons on each side of the steering wheel here. Volume up, volume down, and in the middle you control your sources here. So your phone, FM, USB. So I'll leave it on Sirius satellite radio. air-cooled seats. There's three settings: low, medium, high. Same with heated seats. Definitely not going to have that on today. It's a nice day out here today. So air-cooled seats, and let's go to navigation. So navigation, and the screen is really responsive. It's best in the business. Use 2 fingers and you can kind of do what I'm doing here. So very responsive. Uconnect 5. Pair your phone. Not going to pair your phone. So here's you set profiles in here. Have more than one phone paired at the same time. You have your apps, activate services, and then you'll have an app for the truck on your phone. Here's Alexa. Here is Android Auto. Whatever you want. There's apps for everything pretty much. They got you covered. Yeah, so I think that's a good quick view. I like to leave it, I like to have my navigation and my satellite radio right there, so I'm going to do 2 6-inch screens. It is nice to have a full 12-inch screen of your navigation though. Love that the heads-up display, and I love the digital mirror. I love that I can store my glasses there. Home link system, so you set your remote garage door opener here. Nice suede here. This whole top is suede. Power window at the back. Defrost on the back windows there. Great looking truck. Okay, so there's a quick look. Wanted to show you the Limited and the interior. So nice. Here's a leather care guide for when you get your truck home. And let's go outside and have one last look from the outside, just because it's so nice. Suede and leather wrapped here. Wow. I just love touching everything on the truck. It just feels so nice to the touch. Okay, and once again, if you need more info on here, the webpage is www.marksugardrives.com. You can reach me on there, or just come into Dodge City here in Saskatoon on the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue. Ram Limited 10th anniversary. Beautiful.